So today we're going to be making a delicious masoor chickpea dal. We're going to start by frying off some onions in olive oil. Then you're going to add the red chilli and the chopped ginger. Then goes in the garlic, followed by the red peppers and spices. And then we're going to mix all of this together. Add the chickpeas and just give it a little bit of a fry along with the lentils. And then you're going to add the veg stock. Give it a good mix. Add a squeeze of lime, followed by grating in some fresh ginger. Okay, for some reason it got rid of the clip, but you want to add some coconut milk and some tender stem for a bit of crunch. Add a little bit more coconut milk and then garnish it up. Make that thing look delicious. I'm going to add a squeeze of lime, unlike I did, I just pretended, don't tell anyone, and serve up and enjoy.